There is a interconnect cable that we have made to take care of mismatches. And what we mean by mismatches is that we can now sync and have a cable that interconnects the ECO to both generators so that we can keep failovers together. And what I mean by that is we can get into states where you could have a PTP failover, but your baseband signals won't fail over, and you can end up working off of two different SPGs. In this scenario right here, we're looking at the same setup, and everything is working off of our grandmaster, our primary unit. But if I have a failure here of my GPS on my top SPG, it is going to go into holdover mode, clock class 7. The second generator on the bottom down here is going to become the grandmaster, but my baseband signals are still absolutely fine. So the ECO isn't going to do anything. So all of my baseband signals are still running off of the top generator. My PTP is coming off of the bottom SPG. This generates two issues. One, slight timing issues, since the top unit is no longer completely locked. The bottom unit is locked. There is a slight phase difference that will occur between the two. The second thing is a maintenance nightmare. When your engineer goes in to work on this and he knows that the PTP has switched over, he isn't really thinking about the SDI baseband signals. And quite often they'll go in and grab that top generator and take it out of service, which is now going to cause a hard fault to all your baseband signals, and everything is going to take a hit when he tears that generator down, and the ECO then finally switches over to the other grandmaster. And what you end up doing is you having this scenario where you've got part of your system running on two different sync generators, which is a maintenance nightmare as well as just a timing nightmare. What we would like is to set up so that we cause a condition that will make the ECO switch, but do an electronic switch so the baseband signals don't see it, so that we force the baseband signals and force the ECO to switch so that everything now becomes working off of the grandmaster, what is the PTP grandmaster. That completely leaves the top SPG wide open for the engineer to go do maintenance on that generator, fix the PTP issue, whatever it may have been, and then turn around and bring the system back to normal when everything is completed. The same thing can occur that if either the output of your baseband test signals, your black burst or tri-level sync goes bad, the ECO is going to switch to the backup ECO, and I've got the same condition, but this time it's from the black burst side. We want to be able to force the grandmaster to walk down and do a soft walk to the second grandmaster down on the bottom that is in passive state and make it the grandmaster, which is just a soft walk within the network, just saying, hey, I am now going to take over. We're going to change your status so that you are not better than I am. And the second generator will take over. And again, that top unit, in this case for the fault, is completely void of anything that is running your system.